How to remove the pedals easily from any bike in 90 seconds. Okay, before we get started, there's a couple of things you need to know. First,
back off.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. More on this in a sec. Second, you're either going to need a bicycle pedal wrench or just a plain old 15mm wrench. Some pedals, like these, can only be removed with an 8mm hex wrench, like this. Okay, let's get started. Position the crank arm and the pedal in a forward level position. Place your 15mm wrench on the pedal approximately level with the ground. If your wrench won't fit due to clearance, I've got a workaround in another video. Grab the bike firmly by the handlebars and apply the brakes. Next, step on the pedal and apply your body weight to the wrench with your heel. Oh, and about that back off comment from earlier, rotate both pedals backwards to take them off. Back off. It really is as simple as that. Hey, I hope you found this video helpful. Please check out some of the other bike-related content on this channel. Thanks for watching.